Hey everybody, Jason here with Wisconsin's Outdoor Explorer. Today we're doing a little backyard snowshoeing. You know, sometimes it's difficult to get out and go places on the weekends or during the weekdays. And when you get those times, getting outside can kind of be a challenge. But I'm here to tell you, there's opportunities out there for you to just get outside for even if it's just 15 minutes a day. You know, go for a walk or do like what I'm doing right now. We're doing a little backyard snowshoeing. Whatever you can do to get out there and enjoy the outdoors is just great. You know, one of the great things about backyard snowshoeing is it's a great activity to get the kids out. If you've got an extra pair of shoes, you can take them out, walk around, take your time, there's no rush. You're not far from home, which is really nice if you've got smaller kids. So remember, in as little as 15 minutes, you can get out and enjoy the Wisconsin winter.